It is widely agreed by scientists that climate change stems from human interaction, most likely centered upon the amount of emissions released into the atmosphere. Climate change is undoubtedly a threat to ongoing sustainable development and even more so towards the future. Mitigation is one way that the government can help keep climate change from becoming a severe threat towards humanity. There are many ways the United States government have been attempting to save our planet. It all starts in Washington, D.C. There have been nationwide attempts in the United States to try to enforce the price of payment on the amount of greenhouse gas emissions that are being released. As of now, the enforcement has been seen as successful. When President Obama was in office, many of the members of Congress decided to look at climate change through a new lens. For instance, the Clean Air Act was established. This act allowed the amount of carbon dioxide in the air to be regulated. In 2017, President Trump decided to pull out of the Paris Agreement. This is an agreement within the United Nations to continue the mitigation of greenhouse gas emissions. Although the agreement will not be finalized until 2020, there are several issues that may accompany this decision by pulling out. By choosing not to reduce our carbon footprint, there will be many problems that we will face in the future. Hopefully, legislature will be able to reconsider the effect of climate change that will ultimately impact many lives.